Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some top 10 important questions relevant to Indus Valley civilization that many often comes in very competition exams. So quickly let's get started. Our first question is, in ancient Mesopotamian history, the people of Harappan civilization that were inhabited in Mesopotamia were known as, and the answer is Meluha. When the people of Indus Valley goes to Egypt or Mesopotamia for any trade work, then the people of Sumerian and Mesopotamian civilization used to call them as Meluha. Our second question, Harappa civilization is resembled with which other civilization? And the answer is Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Sumerian and Roman. All these civilizations were going corresponding with Harappan civilization. Third question, which of the following animals' evidence is not found from Indus Valley civilization? And the answer is cow's evidence is not found. People of Harappan civilization uses horse and bull. The picture of bull is depicted on their coins. This implies that they were very well aware of existence of cow. But since no such evidence like bones, pictures, etc. are found, its existence is not sure. Moving on to fourth question, what is the main reason that Indus Valley civilization is kept before Aryan period? And the answer is because of presence of bronze. Bronze Age is founded to be exist between the Copper Age and Iron Age. Thus the people of Indus Valley were unaware of iron and only aware of bronze. Thus their civilization is considered before Iron Age or Iron period. Fifth question, ancient evidences of silver has been found from which culture? And the answer is Harappan culture. People of Harappan civilization get silver from Jawar mines of Rajasthan, and they also used to import silver from Iraq as well as from Afghanistan. Moving on to next question, question number 6. In Harappa, commonly the mud utensils were colored with which color? And the answer is red. The people of Indus Valley civilization uses mud utensils in large amount. These utensils are categorized into two types. First is designed and second is undesigned. In designed utensils, they use to mix small amount of sand so that after baking they can give light red color, and then after they used to cover it completely with red color. At the bottom they used to paint the utensils black and draw some pictures also. Thus it were also known as red colored or red pictured utensils. Question number 7. Which animal picture is not depicted on coins of Harappan civilization or other equipments used during that period? And the answer is horse and cow. Horse and cow were the two animals whose pictures are not punched on any seal or coins of Harappan civilization. Especially cow's evidence is not found from this culture. Moving on to next question, question number 8. How is Indus Valley civilization different from Vedic culture? There are several points through which we can differentiate between Indus Valley civilization as well as Vedic culture, and these points were as follows. First, people of Indus Valley civilization are having idea of urban civilization with well-maintained drainage system. Second point, people of Indus Valley civilization have pictorial evidences of their culture and livelihood even at that time. Third point, people of Indus Valley civilization were unaware of iron and self-defensive weapons. Here, one thing to be cleared is that evidences of self-defensing weapons have been found from Harappan culture, but it is not found that they have been used by the people of Indus Valley civilization. So it is quite hard to believe that they were aware of it. Moving on to next question, question number 9. What are the main things from which we can say that Mohenjo-daro was a planned or well-planned civilization? And the answer is, first, large bathrooms were found with wonderful construction. Second, proper ventilation and drainage system was present. The infrastructure of Mohenjo-daro was divided into two halves. The upper half consists of large fort, large bathrooms, gardens and double-story building, etc. The lower half consists of houses made up of baked bricks present in a network-like structure. Our last but most important question, what are the major reasons for decay or end of Indus Valley civilization? And the answer is, there were several reasons such as climate change, earthquake, ecological imbalance, change in course of river, change in land elements, etc. But the major reasons which people think the most is due to flood that occur in Sindhu River. Thank you for watching. For more questions regarding Indus Valley civilization, do comment in the comment box, and if you like, please share and subscribe our channel.